Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to talk about one thing that will set you apart in a world full of noise, pretense, and conformity. Authenticity. It's not just a buzzword. It's the key to unlocking your true potential, your deepest purpose, and your greatest success. Authenticity is the courage to be unapologetically you, to live your truth, and to walk your path with unwavering conviction. Let's be real for a moment. We live in a world that's constantly trying to mold you into someone else. Social media, society, even well-meaning people around you. They all push you to fit in, to follow the crowd, to chase someone else's version of success. But here's the truth. Trying to be someone you're not is a one-way ticket to a life of frustration, emptiness, and regret. You weren't born to blend in. You were born to stand out, to shine as the unique, powerful individual you are. Authenticity starts with knowing who you are. Take a moment to strip away the expectations, the masks, the shoulds that weigh you down. What drives you? What makes your heart race? What are the dreams you've buried because someone told you they were too big, too crazy, or too impractical? Those dreams, those passions, they're not random. They're the blueprint of your purpose. They're the spark of your authentic self waiting to ignite. But knowing who you are is only the first step. Authenticity demands action. It's about showing up as your true self, day in and day out, even when it's hard, even when the world doesn't understand you, even when you're afraid of being judged. Authenticity is saying, this is me, flaws and all, and I'm going to keep moving forward. It's choosing integrity over convenience, purpose over popularity, and truth over approval. Let me tell you something. The world craves authenticity. In a sea of fakes, filters, and facades, people are drawn to those who are real. Think about the people you admire most, the leaders, the creators, the trailblazers. What makes them magnetic? It's not perfection. It's their raw, unfiltered authenticity. They're not afraid to be vulnerable, to share their struggles, to stand for what they believe in. That's what makes them unforgettable. That's what makes them successful. Now, don't get me wrong, being authentic isn't always easy. It's a journey and it comes with challenges. There will be moments when you doubt yourself, when you feel the pressure to conform, when you wonder if being yourself is worth it. But let me assure you, it is. Every time you choose authenticity, you're building a foundation of confidence, resilience, and self-respect. You're telling the universe, I am enough exactly as I am. And that, my friends, is the ultimate superpower. Your success isn't measured by how much money you make, how many followers you have, or how many accolades you collect. True success is living a life that's aligned with your values, your passions, and your truth. It's waking up every day knowing you're on your path, not someone else's. It's looking in the mirror and loving the person staring back at you, not because you're perfect, but because you're real. So here's my challenge to you. Embrace your authenticity today. Stop hiding, stop shrinking, stop apologizing for who you are. Your quirks, your passions, your story, they're not weaknesses. They're your greatest strengths. Share your voice. Pursue your dreams. Take that leap, even if it scares you. The world doesn't need another copycat, it needs you. As you walk this journey, remember that authenticity isn't a destination, it's a practice. It's a commitment to keep showing up as yourself, to keep growing, to keep learning. And with every step you take in authenticity, you're not just building a successful life, you're inspiring others to do the same. So go out there and be you. Be bold. Be real. Be unstoppable. Your authentic self is the key to your success, and the world is waiting to see you shine.